Welcome to my presentation. My dear learners, again I have come before you for taking another new class on Thesaurus, and Thesaurus is very interesting. It helps to develop your vocabulary capacity that is must be essential for speaking, for writing. Today I have been selected for your nice word, doctor. Today I am going to explain before you this word is used different way and different perspective. Now I am going to start my class. Doctor, someone who treats people who are ill, who has completed a long course of study at medical school. Please try to guess and understand. Doctor, someone who treats people who are ill, who has completed a long course of study at medical school. If you have bad chest pains, you should see a doctor. GP is British English. Doctor who is trained in general medicine. GP, that means who trained in general medicine and who treats the people who live in a local area. That means general practitioner. If I can say before you, my GP told me that I must lose weight. Physician, that is used formal, especially American. A doctor. American or in America, doctor is in lieu of say physician. American physician, Dr. James Taylor Kant. Medical profession, doctors and nurses considered as a group. This view widely accepted among the medical profession. Surgeon, a doctor who does operations in a hospital. One of the world's top heart surgeon. Specialist, a doctor with special knowledge about a particular illness, part of the body or type of treatment. The new drug is being tested by cancer specialist or an eye specialist. Specialist means a special doctor who has extra knowledge about on the disease. Consultant, it's used British. Very senior doctor in a hospital with a lot of knowledge about a particular area of medicine. The consultant said that he did not think it was a cancer. Paramedic, someone who has been trained to treat sick or injured people, especially at the scene of an accident. Paramedics treated him for a shock. Vet is also veterinarian, especially American English. A doctor who treats animals. We took the cat. We took the cat to a veterinarian. That means people's treats, who is called doctor, and animals treats, that is called American English veterinarian, and it's in brief vet. My dear learners, I am going to show before you more words about this topic. Dear learners, again I would like to show before you more words about doctor. A doctor who treats mental illness. That means doctor has different parts. That means different kinds of doctor. That means who works in about neuro, that is called neurologist. Who works in heart, that is called cardiologist. Who works in eye, that is called ophthalmologist. Who works in women related disease, that is called gynecologist. Who works in cancer, that is called oncologist. Who works in kidney diseases, that's especially that is called nephrologist. And in this way, those who works in mental illness, that is called psychiatrist. Psychiatrist, a doctor who treat people with mental illness. In order to become a psychiatrist, you first need medical degree. Another, psychologist, a scientist who studies and is trained in psychology, the study of the mind. Psychologist, he or she works in the mind of the human body. That means that is also sometimes feel ill, and that is need treats to become well. Many psychologists believe that aggression is a learned behavior. Therapist, a trained person whose job is to help people with their emotional problems, especially talking to them and asking them to talk about their feelings. Therapist, understand? And that words is related to medical terminology. And someone who is starting to be a doctor. In this case, some words, medical student, a student who is studying medicine in order to be a doctor. James is a medical student. Connor is a medical student, I can say. Intern, that is American word. Intern, that's a student who has almost finished studying to be a doctor. Almost finished, and who is working in a hospital. Especially medical college, including hospital. There, if you go to that kind of hospital, you will see very young doctor who treats to the ill people, and mostly intern doctor. That means they have almost finished their studying and in doctor and to be a doctor, but they are learning different kinds of things, and they are servicing. They are learning how to treat the illness people. That they are called, and such kind of doctors called intern. My dear learners, I hope that you have understood what I have discussed with you, and you will try to learn vocabulary and mainly try to focus on English to English and try to speak something every day, and that will be easier to you, and that will be easier for you that to be more fluent in English language. Thank you very much.